Today we will discuss some questions from everyday mathematics. First one, a rich merchant had collected many gold coins. He did not want anybody to know about him. One day his wife asked, "How many gold coins do we have?" After a brief pause, he replied, "Well, if I divide the coins into two unequal numbers, then 48 times the difference between the two numbers equals the difference between the squares of the two numbers." The wife looked puzzled. Can you help the merchant's wife by finding out how many gold coins the merchant has? So let's see how we can solve down this. Here he told that he divide the coins into two unequal numbers. So we can take that two numbers as x and y. And he said that then 48 times the difference between the two numbers. 48 times means 48 multiplied by the difference between two numbers. Difference between two numbers means x minus y. X and y are the two numbers, so difference between two numbers is x minus y. Equals, which is equal to the difference between the squares of the two numbers. Squares of the two numbers means x square and y square, and difference is x square minus y square. Now when we solve it, we will get like this. 48 into x minus y is x square minus y square. We can write like this, x minus y into x plus y. Both the sides x minus y is there, so we can cancel it. Therefore we will get 48 equals x plus y. So we cannot solve this equation anymore. So the answer is none of this. Hence the answer for this question is option D, none of this. What is the smallest number which when increased by 5 is completely divisible by 8, 11 and 24? For this question, here it is given what is the smallest number which when increased by 5. So in this type of questions you have to find the LCM of these three numbers, because here it is asked to find the smallest number. LCM means least common multiple. After that you have to subtract this 5 from that number, then we will get the answer. First find the LCM of 8, 11 and 24. So it will come like this, with 2, 4, 11, 12, again 2, 2, 11, 6, again 2, 1, 11, 3. Now all this is prime. So LCM is 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11s are 88, 83, 88 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26. 264 will be the LCM. From this we have to subtract minus 5, because that number is increased by 5, then only it is divisible by 8, 11, 24. For finding that number we have to subtract this. Now this will come 14 minus 5, 9, 5, 2, 259. So option B is the answer. Next one, which is the least number that must be subtracted from 1856 so that the remainder when divided by 7, 12 and 16 is 4. This also, here we have to find the least number. Least number means we have to find the LCM of 7, 12 and 16. First we have to do that. Here we will get the LCM as 336. We will do like this, and when we get the prime we will stop, multiply it, then we will get the answer like this. Then next we have to find the closest multiple of 336 to 1856. So here if you are multiplying with, here it is 18, so let's multiply with 5 and check. 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 5 3s are 15, 1618. Let us check 6 also. 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 6 3s are 18, 20. So this is above 1856. So the closest multiple of 336 is 1680. So this number is completely divisible by 7, 12 and 16. But it is given that when it is divided by this number 7, 12 and 16, these numbers 7, 12 and 16, the remainder is 4. So we have to add 4 with it. This will come 1684. So this is the closest number that is subtracted, least number that is subtracted from 1856. But we have to find the least number that must be subtracted from 1856. So must subtract this. 6 minus 4, 2. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 7 minus 6, 1. Therefore our answer is 172. Here when we divide 1680, that is the closest multiple to 1856, by 7, 12 and 16, we will get the remainder 0. That's why, and in the question it is given that when divided by 7, 12 and 16, the remainder is 4. That means the nearest multiple is remainder is 4. That is why we add 1680 plus 4, that is 1684. When we divide this number by 7, 12 and 16, we will get the remainder as 4. The value of 987, 2 boxes, missing boxes, 113 minus 1000 is, first we have to add 987 plus 113. So in the first box, plus 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. Then the value of 987, 2 boxes, 113 minus 1000 is, first we have to add this 987 plus 113. 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11. Then subtract this 1000. Then we will get 100. So the correct answer is 100 here. Next one, as a decimal, 9 by 10 plus 8 by 100 is. 9 by 10 we can write like this, 0.9, plus 8 by 100 we can write like this, 0.08 by 100. Now we have to add this, plus 0.08. So we can put a 0 here, 8, 9, 0.98. Option B. Next one, what integer is closest in value to 7 multiply 3 by 4? So we can write like this, 7 into 3 by 4, we can write 7 3s are 21 by 4. Now divide and find out which integer is close to this. 5 4s are 21. So we can write like this, 5 and 1 by 4. Therefore 5 is the closest integer. Option D. Next one, the value of the expression 5 square minus 4 square, 2 missing boxes, 3 square is. Here 5 square, we know that 5 square equals 25, 4 square equals 16 and 3 square equals 9. Then 5 square, 25 minus 16, which is 9. So if we are subtracting it, 9 minus 9, 0. That is not in the option. So 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 will be the answer.